Welcome to CANA's Mimic family of technologies video on adaptive RF-enabled manufacturing. We offer a solution for resilient unmanned systems and tactical edge RF overmatch, fundamentally changing how platforms are built. The goal is to turn the platform structure itself into part of the RF mission system, enabling holistic tactical overmatch through 4 projects: Mimic, Raider, Reaper, and Stalker. At CANA, we empower federal and commercial organizations with precise and adaptable technology solutions. We achieve this through rigorous analytics, top-tier talent, specialized expertise, and a customer-centric focus, ensuring our clients concentrate on what matters most. Unmanned systems are critical now for mass, reach, and distribution in contested environments. However, systems for modern operations must survive and adapt within these contested RF spaces. The current state relies on bolt-on hardware, increasing swap-C, and creating vulnerability. Mimic reframes this as a capability generation problem, moving beyond just an RF materials problem. The Mimic solution moves from bolt-on to built-in through an adaptation loop. Observe mission data, assess requirements, manufacture components near the point of need, and deploy adapted systems. This delivers mission-tailored RF hardening and sensing at operational speed. We achieve advancement beyond the state-of-the-art through spectral engineering. This shifts from reactive shielding to proactive RF design, embedding active geometry into structures for a common architecture of protection and sensing. The novelty is the manufacturing and RF architecture for repeatable adaptation. The operational use case is an RF overmatch adaptation cycle. Real-time threat data from the field is relayed to the strategic manufacturing hub. Here, it is analyzed and modeled for new hardware, allowing the deployment of freshly adapted systems. This creates a continuous data-to-production feedback loop for adaptive RF dominance. Huygens unit cells form the digital smart skin. Through advanced 4D printing and meta-atoms, we integrate wideband RF control into conformal surfaces. This smart skin offers zero-power hardening and passive spoofing, ensuring resilient protection for marginal polymer expense. Our team combines operational relevance, logistics insight, and advanced RF manufacturing expertise. Transition requires more than physics. It demands operationally relevant integration, testing, and manufacturability, ensuring our solutions are grounded, credible, and transition-oriented. Mimic offers defense impact through faster adaptation, lower platform burden, and shorter logistics tails. Our defense fit focuses on advanced materials, adaptive manufacturing, and RF resilience. Near-term work includes prototype integration and dynamic RF testing. The Mimic paradigm provides strategic overmatch by transitioning from bolt-on to built-in survivability. The digital library of defense enables point-of-need manufacturing, eliminating logistics tails. This is a proven pipeline combining GTRI Athena Lab research with CANA operational vision. Thank you for watching this video on the Mimic family of technologies. For more information, please contact Chris Sitchi, Director of Innovation and Strategy, or visit our website.